Yeah, so we were in a process of surveying one of our largest buildings on site, the Tinbergen building, 1960s construction, to determine the level of asbestos in that building, and we found lots and lots of loose blue asbestos, which resulted in the building having to be shut at quite short notice, displacing up to about 1,200 people. The reason we looked at modern methods of construction was really to do with speed. So we shut the building in February 2017, and the aim was to try and get some teaching facilities back up and running for Michaelmas term, which is October 2017. For traditional construction, we wouldn't have been able to deliver that in time, so we did look at modular construction as a quick solution to get the teaching spaces and research spaces up and running. When we delivered this project, we delivered it in under a year. I would suggest that a traditional build would have taken at least 2 years to get to the same stage, including design, planning and construction. So the construction itself is quite flexible in that you can remove internal walls, you can reconfigure corridors. It's quite a simple floor plate with suspended ceilings, so you can change the surfaces if you need to. It's a very high quality interior. The client commented that this is the best quality building they've ever had. But it doesn't, outside whilst it looks like a modular, that was one of the restrictions of the planning application, that the building had to look temporary because the intention is that we will take it away in the future. But internally you wouldn't know it was a modular building because of the high quality finishes. There's several major advantages. One of them would be that you have upfront design, so you can be designing. Because you're working in a set modular, it's quite easy to design the building to fit into the space. One of the other advantage is that the construction time on site is a lot faster, so you can come out the ground and then deliver the modular very quickly. And also the modulars themselves are constructed in a factory, so you have much better quality control, so there's less snagging at the end of a project and less defects. I think the benefit for the client is that they're very clear what they are getting. There's not a lot of flexibility around it. It's almost working with a pattern book. You open a brochure and you pick the colours you want, the finishes you want, and you get those colours and finishes. It's quite a straightforward solution from that point of view. To assemble it on site takes as many, I think, as normal traditional construction because of the nature of the project is you're working fast anyway, so they do tend to flood the project with lots of people. I think those people can actually work a lot faster because most of it's complete, so they can work in different areas at the same time. Prior to this project, I'd always considered modular as a temporary solution and for very small construction, so for some emergency solutions, but also site cabins and temporary fixes for 5 years or so. What this has actually done is show me that modular can be used for a permanent solution for building delivery, as these buildings could last up to 40 years if necessary.